Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side front door speaker. This is a 2016 F-150. Same procedure for F-150. This does have the XLT trim, so if you have the different trim levels, it may be a little bit different. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click subscribe. Also, check out 1aauto.com for all your parts needs for your car or truck. And here are the items you'll need for this repair. All right, before we start, always a good idea just to put the window down, just in case you hit the lock switch by accident. You don't want to lock yourself out of your truck. Start up here, and sometimes you can do this by hand. The right tool is a plastic trim tool. Go in behind, pop the clips free, and you always want to pull straight out on it. Remove it. Now we're going to pull off this trim panel, and there is a little indent right here where you can fit a screwdriver through, and I force it right up and in. And then this is probably the most unnerving part. It takes a lot of force to pull this off, and I'm going to put my thumb here. Most of the time the thing's just going to go flying. And then we want to remove this panel in here. You gotta get into this line here, which can be difficult sometimes. These plastic tools available at 1A Auto make this easy, and you don't mar up your interior. Pull out on the side a little bit, get this hook in the top. You can see your two clips are there and there. It comes up and out. Now you have a series of 7mm screws. One up here, two here with the large washers, two here, and then there's two down below, one here, and one back here. And we're using 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove these 7 bolts. Now there's a series of pins that hold the panel in, so you need to pull the panel straight out. I start up in the top corner here because you can grab onto it easy, and again just apply even pressure out. Work your fingers down. And the panel kind of comes up and off. Your door handle, very easy. Little tab, pull it down, and pull the handle off. And then your power lock, just a tab here. Push it in and down, and then your window switch, little tab here, push on it, down, and your panel's off. 4 7mm bolts hold the speaker in place. We'll remove those. Last one comes out. Little tab on your harness here. Push down, disconnect the speaker, then you'll pull the bottom out first, the speaker comes off. Reinstall your speaker, put the top in first, and then there's 2 pins that go in, and then use your 4 7mm screws and install. Tighten these up, and you don't want to get them firm but not too tight. Don't over tighten them. And reconnect your lead. Just something to keep in mind, there's a large alignment pin here that goes into this hole in the front here. And reconnect your door lock as well as your window switch. Make sure you plug it in the correct way. And then your door handle cable just goes in underneath and snaps into place. Then make sure that you push your lock button through and push the top towards the outside of the vehicle. And down on while you're kind of holding the bottom out. And then that front pin should go right in. Make sure all your other pins go in. So you should have about 1/4 inch of a clearance all the way around. And then set all the pins. And I'm just going to reinstall my 7mm screws. 2 of the smaller washers go in the lower holes, and the 2 with the larger washers go up around the door pull. And these ones in the door pull you want to get nice and tight, and the smaller black ones just tighten them up firmly. Make sure your 2 plastic clips are in place, 2 metal clips. Put it on, just kind of look in behind, make sure the clips line up. Tab goes into the back. Push it back a little bit just to make sure everything lines up. And it goes back on much easier than it came off. Then this one, 2 tabs at the bottom. Make sure they go in. Lock it in place. Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.